Hey guys, Brent here, Florida Outdoors RV Center here in Stuart, Florida. I want to show you this RPod. It's a nice little travel trailer, easy to tow, lightweight, affordable. Fantastic condition. It is pre-owned, but it's actually 2015, so it was hardly used. It's traded in, but still in fantastic condition. Previous owner decided he needs something a little bigger, so a little TV here, perfect for one or two people for those weekend trips. I'll show you the outside here. It's made by Forest River. It's the RPod 171, single axle, little propane here. So if you have any questions, feel free to call us at 772-288-2221. Thanks so much and have a nice day.